Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well, healthy and safe. Sitting at home and concentrating on your education and studies only. Cambridge International School Daswa is here to help you out for learning, for revision and for clearing every doubt. Myself Rita in front of you again, and today I am going to not teach you, we are going to revise chapter 1 Cold War. The Cold War era from paper A. Yes, now we are going to start revision. Rest those chapters which were left from paper 2 we will do afterwards. So now we will start revision. Yes, the same chapter, my dear students, we have done in class in good days. Okay, and now if you have missed this chapter or if you forget this chapter, I am here to help you out to remind you again. So the chapter, the Cold War era. The topics I would be covering in this video: Cuban Missile War, what is Cold War, the emergence of new two power blocks. Yes, the Cold War era. Observe this picture carefully, though this picture is not from your textbook, but while watching this picture carefully, you will automatically judge that the Cold War was between which two countries. Yes, Cold War era, Second World War 1939-45, when it was ended, the beginning of Cold War. There were Axis power, Germany, Italy, Japan, and elite powers, US, Soviet Union, and France. One side there was US and on the other side USSR. Cold War 1945 to 1991. As the end of Second World War, beginning of Cold War. This will be the first question that you are going to revise. This is your choice, my dear students. If you want to write this question, well and good. Otherwise, you can revise only or mark from book, because today we are going to do 4 or 5 questions, and directly you will get answer from textbook. Easily you will get answer over here. Yes, this picture, observe carefully. This is the cover, you can say cover picture at the beginning. You will observe where the lesson begins. Fine. So these two pictures symbolize the victory of US and USSR in the Second World War. देखो दोनों अपने flag लिए हैं. Okay. The two pictures symbolize the victory of US and USSR in the Second World War. American soldier raising the US flag during the Battle of Iwo Jima, Japan. Soviet soldier raising the USSR flag on the Reichstag building in Berlin, Germany. Okay. Now our chapter begins. How does Second World War ended? Second World War ended. US dropped 2 atomic bombs in cities of Japan to stop the war, causing Japan to surrender. इतने भयानक बम थे, उनको डराया और जापान ने सरेंडर कर दिया. These two big cities were Hiroshima and Nagasaki. हिरोशिमा पे 6 अगस्त को बम फेंका और नागासाकी पे 9 अगस्त को एटम बम फेंका. And their name was, every time the countries just named these kinds of atom bomb. So Hiroshima and Nagasaki, these two code name was there, and little boy, Hiroshima, where atom bomb was dropped in Hiroshima, little boy, code name Fat Man from Nagasaki. Critics of the USA decision to drop the bombs have argued that the US knew that Japan was about to surrender and it was unnecessary to drop the bombs. Critics कहते हैं कि जापान सरेंडर करने ही वाला था, तो यूएस ने ऐसा डिसीजन क्यों लिया वहां बॉम्ब गिराने का? They suggest that US action was intended to stop the Soviet Union from making military and political gains in Asia and elsewhere to show Moscow that United States was supreme. ये दिखाने के लिए अमेरिका सबसे सुप्रीम पावर है. और जैसे ही वर्ल्ड वॉर खत्म हुई, दोनों डर गए कि एक दूसरे की पावर को बढ़ते हुए ना देख सके ये. ठीक है. और जैसे ही वर्ल्ड वॉर खत्म हुई, कोल्ड वॉर शुरू हो. कोल्ड वॉर मतलब the Cold War referred to the competition, the tension and the series of confrontation between the United States and Soviet Union backed by their respective allies. Yes, the two sides of the Cold War, capitalism था, communism था. अब ये आप टॉपिक ना यू विल गेट द सेम टॉपिक एट वेरी लास्ट, ठीक है। जितना हम छोड़ेंगे ना, आप बिल्कुल लास्ट में ये टॉपिक पढ़ोगे आप, कैपिटलिज्म और कम्युनिज्म की, यानी कि यू विल गेट द सेम टॉपिक फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 3, फाइन, वेरी लास्ट. So capitalism and communism. Fine. Capitalism means all industries, business and agriculture should be owned by private people, and communism, everything belong to the state and should be run by the government on behalf of the people. ये दोनों चीजें, ठीक है. Now US democracy capitalism and USSR socialism communism. फिर दो ब्लॉक्स बन गए, अलायंस बन गए, वेस्टर्न अलायंस नाटो, वेस्ट ईस्टर्न अलायंस वार्सा पैक्ट. दिस यू हैव डन ना, आई होप यू रिमेंबर. नाटो क्या था और वार्सा पैक्ट क्या था और कहाँ हुआ था. नाटो अप्रैल 1949 और इसमें 12 स्टेट्स थी. वार्सा पैक्ट 1955 टू एनकाउंटर फोर्सेज ऑफ नाटो. सीटो और सेंटो, आज आप ये भी क्वेश्चन करोगे, दिस विल बी योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नाटो सीटो सेंटो के रेफरेंस से यू विल टेल द टू पावर ब्लॉक्स. So logic of deterrence. Deterrence means both sides have capacity to, you can say, retaliate against an attack. ठीक है, and to cause so much destruction that neither can afford to initiate war. इतनी ज़्यादा लड़ाई हो जानी कि वो war से भी मतलब ज़्यादा deterrence. So the map you are watching on your screen, you will definitely get from page number 5. This is the map of Europe. Okay, was divided into rival alliances during Cold War. इसमें थे कैसे बंट गया था पूरा यूरोप. नाटो मेंबर्स आर शोइंग येलो. नाटो मेंबर्स कौन थे? ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस, स्पेन और नॉर्वे, इटली, जर्मनी. वार्सा पैक्ट मेंबर कौन से थे? पोलैंड था, चेकोस्लोवाकिया, ईस्ट जर्मनी और यूएसएसआर. Other communist nations were other communist nations were Yugoslavia. One more map is showing here. First world country, yellow portion showing. Second world country, red portion, and third world country, green portion. Now I am not going to tell you what is first world countries and second world countries. Okay, this we have done in just few days before na. Yes. Now why did super power need to make alliance with the smaller countries? अब सुपर पावर थी, फिर भी उन्होंने छोटे देशों से काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपनी अटैचमेंट रखी और काफ़ी ज़्यादा उन पर अपना लिंक रखा. ठीक है, तो सुपर पावर को जिनके पास सब कुछ है, वाई दे आर हैप्पी विद द फ्रेंडशिप ऑफ द स्मॉलर कंट्रीज. So these reason you will do and you will get the same answer from page number 7. And I remember this question you have written in your copies also. ठीक है, when we were studying in the class, first chapter है ना, so this question I think you have done in your class, and page number 7 will get you this answer. So the smaller states were helpful for the superpowers in gaining access to vital resources. छोटे छोटे देशों के पास बड़े महत्वपूर्ण resources थे, जैसे कि oil और minerals. Territory from the superpowers could launch their weapons and troops. Location from where they could spy on each other, जहाँ पर एक दूसरे से नजर रख सकते थे, वो छोटे छोटे देशों से इनको बना के रखनी थी. Economic support in that many small allies you can say together could help pay for military expenses. तो इसीलिए बड़ी बड़ी सुपर पावर्स को छोटी छोटे देशों से भी बना के रखनी पड़ी. One more question in the another form. Why did smaller states support the superpower? छोटे देशों को बड़े से क्यों बना के रखनी थी? They got the promise of protection. ठीक है, बड़े से बना के रखो तो प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाती है ना. Protection of they got promise of weapons. जरूरत पड़े तो weapons मिल जाएंगे. And economic aid against their local rivals, most regional neighbors with whom they had rivalries. तो कभी जरूरत पड़ने पर तो बड़े बंदों की जरूरत पड़ जाती है. So they are making in good terms with the big powerful country. Yes, now Cuban Missile Crisis 1962. This topic you can get where your lesson begins. ठीक है, मैंने ये स्लाइड्स बाद में लगाई है, but you will get the same content from where the chapter begins. US John F. Kennedy. Who was John F. Kennedy? You know. USSR Nikita Khrushcheva. ठीक है. So president of USA. US के प्रेसिडेंट जॉन एफ कैनेडी और यूएसएसआर के प्रेसिडेंट क्रुशेव, ठीक है, निकिता क्रुशेव। सो दोनों ने क्यूबन मिसाइल छिड़ी, ठीक है। तो क्यूबा इज अ नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री एंड फिडेल कैस्ट्रो, यू कैन से फिडेल कैस्ट्रो द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अ स्मॉल आइलैंड, क्यूबा का छोटा सा स्मॉल आइलैंड का प्रेसिडेंट था, फाइन, एंड कोस्ट एट द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. So Cuba was an ally of Soviet Union and received both diplomatic and financial aid from Nikita Khrushchev and as well as Russian base. 1962 में सबसे पहले ये इशू सामने आया. Yes, this is Cuban crisis. This question you will, if you want to write, this is your will, but otherwise you have to revise this question. अब मैं आपको सारा का सारा क्यूबन क्राइसिस बता रही हूँ क्या था, ओके, क्या थी क्यूबन मिसाइल वॉर. Cuba was an ally of the Soviet Union and received both diplomatic and financial aid from it. ठीक है. Nikita Khrushchev, the leader of Soviet Union, decided to convert Cuba into Russian base. यहाँ से लड़ाई सबसे पहले शुरू हुई. In 1962, he placed nuclear missiles in Cuba. The installation of these weapons put the US under threat. US डर गया, अमेरिका डर गया कि क्यूबा में मिसाइल लग गई है तो उसको भी अपनी पावर बढ़ानी है, ठीक है. So 3 weeks after the Soviet Union had placed the nuclear weapons in Cuba, the Americans became aware of it. In October 1962, US U-2 spy plane flight over Cuban territory and revealed the missile installation site. सारी की सारी जगह पर उसने वो चीज देख ली. John F. Kennedy ordered American warships to intercept any Soviet ships heading to Cuba as a way of warning the USSR of its seriousness. Clash हो गया, seemed imminent in what came to known as Cuban Missile War. सारी की सारी Cuban Missile War you can get from page number 3. यहाँ से आप पूरा का पूरा पढ़ लोगे, ठीक है. This we have done also. Then Cuban Prime Minister Fidel Castro, which you can see on your screen, left side shakes hands with Soviet Premier Nikita Khrushchev in 1961 or Cuban Missile War. This is how you will describe in your answer. Now you will write 3 questions. If you don't want to write, no problem. Directly you can get answer from your textbook, and those answers you are getting from directly your textbook. I don't think so any fun of writing over there. But if you want to do practice, you can write in your notebook. So what was Cuban Missile War? Which countries were involved in it? Explain the Cuban Missile Crisis. This is Western Alliance headed by US or Eastern Alliance headed by Soviet Union. सारा आप लिखोगे. Second question, the end of Second World War was also the beginning of Cold War. How? पूरा का पूरा explain करना है आपने. This will be your second question. Third, explain the emergence of 2 power blocks, East and Western, with reference to NATO, SEATO और CENTO. तीनों के बारे में आपने लिखना है. अच्छा, one more question you have done, and directly you will do from the slide that why smaller countries are helpful to the bigger ones and why powerful countries are helpful for the smaller countries. And these questions you will write in your copy or you can revise, my dear. So this is for today only, and tomorrow we will continue the same lesson, rest lesson, and hopefully we will complete the lesson. ठीक है. और revision में whenever you get any kind of doubt, I am here to tell you all answers. Let me know your doubts and we will sort it out. So in my next video we will complete the chapter the Cold War era. Till then, goodbye and had a safe day.